Hello, and this is the tour of our farm. That's the high spec 1350 gallon Massey Ferguson electronic 2645. My wee John Deere 2650. And a couple of horse boxes. One horse box, I think. A trailer, a silage trailer, a ripper, a cube, link box, and just a race thing then. Couple of drums, cones, for Williams trailer, and a wee 206 then, a wee farm care. Then I'll go on up then now. And then wee Zetter. I like the stuff lying out from the shed. Well, scrapple, we could still use it, like, but there's the Zetter scrap on here. Well, not really scrap, like, what I'd call scrap. Cab, tedder, fertilizer spreader, and a blower, wee forklift, couple of bikes, shear grabber, back of the tractor, and a mower. And then going on up then by the cattle sheds. Just the cattle sheds in. Getting that there clean tomorrow. I'll probably clean it with the great, putting the wee 2650. Muck spreader, silage pit, Kawasaki 360. Down on here then. Wee crush for the calves. Cow shed again. Wee Nuffield straw shed over there, all gone. Pallet, that's where all the cows go on there again. Wee crush there. And then wee International. And then put a ton on her, and then all the muck we gathered there. And just on there then, that is the tank that we fill all the water with. Stick place on there. There's just the Kawasaki again. Another pallet. It's like just a back way up there to the pot. Zetter then. And just the parties in the barley land. And down on there's the orchard. I'll give you a tour of that in the next video. Just lanes in leading on over onto Lower Field. And then just the grazing field then. With the Phantom pot and all that on it. So that's all.